Welcome guys, I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, minimum swap to sort. So basically what is the problem? We are given a array nums and we have to find out the minimum number of swaps between two characters in this particular array need to sort this array in strictly increasing order. Why strictly? Because all n element are different, so strictly increasing order. Okay, so basically we have to arrange this array in an increasing order, like the output arrays should be 2, 4, 5 and 8. So the minimum number of swaps we require is we will swap 4 and 8. So minimum number of swap is equal to 1. Here swap is equal to 2. Why? We swap 3 and 10, then we swap 5 and 19. Okay, so minimum number of swap is 2. So now how we are going to execute this problem within given complexity. Okay guys, so what we are doing, first of all we are given this function min swaps and a vector of int nums, which is our initial array. We will take another array answer and initialize it with nums. Like here, if our uh, suppose example of this 8 3 14 17. Okay, just wait a minute. 8 3 14, what is the other? 8 3 14 17 15 1 12. Okay, 17 15 1 and 12. Okay, this is my array nums. This is my array nums. So my array answer is, initially it is same, it is completely this, but afterward what I am doing, I am sort this answer array. So how my answer arrays look like? So my answer arrays look like 1 comma 3 comma 8 comma 12 comma 14 comma 15 and 17 and 17. So okay, so 1 3 8 12 14 15 17, it is the sorted answer array. Okay, and what I do, I am taken an unordered map. Why unordered? Because I don't need the order, I just need the index. Okay, and in map I will have to give log n complexity, and in unordered map I will get my index in just open complexity, time complexity. Okay, then for each element, for I to nums dot size minus 1, I put out its index in my map. Then I am taken a variable c will store my count, or you can say this is my total number of minimum swaps yet. Then I will run a for loop for each element of my nums, and if the both element, like the element in my sorted array and the element in my initial array are not equal, then what I do, I will, like here, if I am telling you, it will run for 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 2. Okay, I am in one at index 0, both number are no different, so x is equal to nums I. What is nums I is equal to a. This is I. At I is equal to 0. Okay, you can see at I is equal to 0, I taken int x is equal to nums I is equal to 8. This is I currently, then I just swap nums I comma, what I am swapping, nums I, and I am swapping this with nums nums hmm, the index where my answer I is stored. Now what is my m answer I? My answer I is 1, so my 1 answer I is equal to 1 is equal to the index of my 1 in this array. What is this index? It is equal to 5. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. Yes, it is equal to 5. It is basically store the index of my this number in my nums array. And what is this number? This number is my number that should be at index I in my sorted array. Okay, so here it will mi with m5, I is equal to 1 here. So sorry, I is equal to 0 here, so 0 and 5 will swap. 0 and 5 will swap. So now 0 will become 15, sorry 1, and 5 will become 8. 5 will become 8. So now what I am doing, I will increment my c. My c is equal to 1 now. It is initially 0, so it will become 1 now. And my mx is equal to, what I am doing now, I am telling you mx. What is mx? m8. m8, like here as you can see, first of all my m8 will be is equal to 0, but now my 8 because come here, so my m8 should be at this index. And what is this index? This index is my index of this number. This index, I am swapping it with this index, so it will come here. Okay, you understand? I am swapping this number to this index. And what is this index? This index is my m answer I. So I just put out m answer I to my this current number. Okay, so now my m8 is equal to 5. Now when I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, 3, 3 both are equal, just it will just complete the loop. So c is equal to 2 here, c is equal to, c remain 1 here. This is the value of c. Now at I is equal to 2, I is equal to 2, it is 8 and it is 14. So x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14, and x is equal to 14, and m14 is equal to m14 is equal to sorry, not m14, m12, m8, sorry, these are the same index. Yes, these are the same. Our I is at 2, so m8, this is 8 this time. m8, and what is my m8? My m8 is 0, m8 is 5. Okay, I am updated it. So now it will again update again. Here my 8 will come, and here my 14 come, and now my m14 will update as my m14 will become 5. My 14 became is equal to m8 because now I am swapping this with the index where 8 is stored. Okay, so now my index of 14 will be is equal to the previous index of my 8. Okay, similarly here is 14, now here is 17. We need 12 here, so we will cut down this. Here my 17 will come, here my 12 will come, and my c will increment 1 for this 8 and 14, and now 1 for this 12 and 17. Okay, and now my m17 is equal to m17 is equal to 6. Yes, it is equal to 6. And now this is my 15, this is my 14. I need to swap this both also. This became 14, this became 15, this became 14, this became 14. Now my m will increase to 4. And now my this is 14, this is 15, 15 is equal to 15, 17 is equal to 17. So my loop will end out and my c is equal to 4 answer. I can show you by running it also. As you can see, now I am submitting it. So guys, you can see it is a accepted solution. So just dry run it. This is a very simple approach. First sort the array. First of all, just take out index, then sort the array, then run a loop. If my answer is not is equal to num size, then swap the index, swap the element of that particular index, and update the new index of my biggest element of my num size, or you can say. Okay, so I hope you all like it, you all understand it. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. And you can check out my channel for more GFG and lead code daily problems. I hope you will check out, and so please subscribe the channel also. Thank you for watching this, guys.